In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Material Preview mode in Blender's 3D viewport. Before we jump in, let's get oriented. In the top right corner of the 3D viewport, you'll see a row of 4 small sphere icons. These control how your scene is displayed while you work. They're your shading modes. From left to right, they typically represent wireframe, solid, Material Preview, and rendered. You don't need to click through all of them right now. Just know that this is where you switch the viewport's look to match what you need. For previewing materials quickly and accurately, without committing to a full render, the third sphere is the one you want. Go ahead and click the third icon. That activates Material Preview mode. As soon as you do, Blender applies a studio-style environment lighting, often using an HDRI, to give realistic reflections and soft lighting on your surfaces. This is incredibly helpful for judging things like base color, roughness, metallic values, and normal maps, because you'll see how light actually behaves on your materials without the noise or the longer wait times of a full render. Think of Material Preview as your sweet spot for look development. It's fast, it's informative, and it doesn't change anything about your final render settings. It only affects how you see the scene while you work. You can orbit, pan, and zoom as usual to inspect details and watch how highlights and reflections roll across your model. If you're experimenting with nodes or tweaking textures, this is the mode that gives you immediate, useful feedback. There's also a quick way to get here without clicking. If you prefer shortcuts, press the Z key to bring up the shading pie menu. You'll see slices for the different shading modes. Move your mouse toward Material Preview and simply release. The pie menu is gesture-based, so you don't need to click. Just flick in the direction of Material Preview and let go. Once you get used to it, switching modes becomes almost instant, which keeps your workflow smooth and uninterrupted. A quick note on performance: Material Preview is generally lighter than full rendering, but heavier than solid mode, because it simulates lighting and reflections. If your scene is complex, give it a second to update after big changes. That said, it's still designed to be responsive while you iterate. That's all you need to start using Material Preview mode effectively. Click the third sphere to activate it, or use Z and gesture to the Material Preview slice, and you're set for fast, accurate material look dev right in the viewport.